The human body is a very complex system of interconnected organs, which work in perfect balance. This balance is maintained by harmony between chemicals, bacteria and cells, which if interrupted can lead to a number of medical problems. The simplest way to check if your body is in perfect balance is through your body's pH levels, which is a measure of acidity and alkalinity. Why are these important, you wonder, and which is the perfect balance between the two? Both are important in their own way. Your stomach, for example, requires high acidity to digest foods, while your immune system relies on alkalinity. The pH scale goes from 0 to 14, and the lower the number, the higher the level of acidity. The perfect balance is right in between at 7. Your body thrives to maintain this level, because it's the best environment for the proper functioning of all your organs and systems. However, this balance is hard to achieve, and it often gets disrupted into a lower level, turning your body into acidic, which can have a detrimental effect on your overall health. Signs your body is too acidic. Acidity cannot be measured as simple as your temperature, and contrary to popular belief, it doesn't involve taking a drop of blood on a pH strip. If you want to find out the level of acidity, you need to monitor how your body operates, and if there's something abnormal about it. Sign 1. Excess weight. If your body is acidic, it will stimulate an increased production of insulin, which will lead to fat accumulation. Your body's detox system won't be able to respond appropriately, and will push the acid back to the fat tissues, forcing it to cling to cells. Moreover, your metabolism, which depends on balanced alkaline levels, can't do its job properly and prevents your body from burning the usual amount of calories. This means that if you just can't find a way to shed those extra pounds, no matter how hard you try, it may mean that your body is acidic. Sign 2. Bone weakness. Our body is a very intelligent system, which finds a way around the obstacles it runs into. That's why when it notices that there's too much acid, it tries to neutralize it by pulling alkaline nutrients to counteract the effect. Where does it find them? From your bones, which isn't something you'd want. This process won't be noticeable right away, but as time goes by, and your body continually pulls nutrients like calcium from your bones, you'll end up with weak and fragile bones, susceptible to fractures and osteoporosis. This is also one of the main reasons why patients suffering from osteoporosis are advised to stay away from high-acid foods like coffee. Sign 3. Tooth sensitivity. According to a study published in the International Journal of Chemical Engineering and Applications in 2015, the tooth enamel can become weaker and more susceptible to damage as a result of high acidity. If you frequently get cavities or can't eat cold or hot foods without your teeth erupting in pain, that could be a sign that you're suffering from acid-related enamel degradation. Sign 4. Sleep problems. According to statistical data from recent polls, Americans are among the most sleep-deprived people in the world. Why is this such a common problem in the US? It's quite possible that the insomnia and trouble sleeping can be linked to high acidity levels. As we already mentioned, when your body gets too acidic, it starts stripping your bones from calcium in order to regain balance. But in doing so, it depletes your body of calcium. You become deficient in this important nutrient, and this deficiency has been linked to insomnia, according to the Human Nutrition Research Center in North Dakota. How to correct high acidity. There are a few things you can do in order to restore the pH balance in your body, and you need to start with adjusting your diet. The alkaline diet is one of the most popular ways to restore alkalinity, and some even claim it has helped them fight cancer. You can also try some natural remedies, in addition to changing your diet. Here's a very effective one, consisted of 2 readily available ingredients: baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Combine 1/3 of a teaspoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of organic ACV. It will start fizzing and you should wait until it stops, and mix it with 8 ounces of water. Drink the entire mixture at once,